Hi, this is Rena from thecheesethief.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make this bracelet. This is an intermediate tutorial, so if you are just a beginner, I would not suggest that you do this bracelet. Check out my other tutorials on my videos. And I am also using limited edition rainbow loom bands, which make this bracelet a little easier because there's a lot of twisting that's going on around here. So let's get started. So you're gonna set up your bands in this order. And it's pink, white, purple, purple, white, and then it repeats pink, white, purple, purple, white. So if you just go up, it's just pink, white. So the pattern is just repeat these same 5 bands over and over again. So first I'm gonna start out with my pink band, and I'm going to just do 3 loops around the pencil, like that. So I just put it around 3 times. And then I'm going to take my white band and my purple band and place it on my loom. And now I'm going to pull up this pink band. It's a little tight, but that's fine there. So that's what you should have. Now I'm going to take my purple band, my white band, and then I'm going to take my pink band. So you're going to put all 3 of those bands on your peg, and then you're going to pull up your purple. Just kind of pull everything down a little. And this is the part where it gets a little tricky, but once you do it, it'll become easier. So you're going to pull your pink band onto the right side, from the left to the right, like that. And then you're going to pull up this white band. Now I'm going to put my white band back. And then I'm going to pull up my purple band. And then I'm going to put my pink band back, like that. And I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side. So I'm just going to pull my pink band on this side. So you're going to basically put all your bands on one side until there's 2 bands left. And then you're going to pull up the white band. You're going to put your white band back onto this peg, and then pull up your purple band, and then you're going to pull your pink band back up. And then you see how it looks all twisted, and this is the part where with every stitch you want to go through and fix your bands. So there's 2 purple bands. One of them should be, let me show you the picture. One of them should pull straight through the middle, and one of them should be the side band. And then if you have a hook, I'm going to grab a hook to see if that's easier to see. Okay, I'm just going to grab a hook. The hook is just to arrange your bands, so it's not to actually make any stitches. So I'm just going to pull these 2 over in the middle, and then I'm going to go underneath and pull this out on the side. There. So that's actually what it should look like. So this purple band, it should just be out to the side like that. And then you see, and then this side you gotta arrange it a little too. So that's what it should look like. And then you're gonna pull up these 2 white bands. Okay, and then you can do the same thing again. So let's redo this. We're going to take our white band and then our purple band. And then we're going to pull up the pink band. So this was like the first thing we did, but this was 3. Now I'm going to take my purple band, my next 3 bands, my purple, my white, and my pink. Place them all on my pegs, and I'm going to pull up my purple band. So that's what you should have. And now basically you're just trying to create these loops on the side, right? So how you do that is you're going to pull everything onto one side. So your pink band onto one side, your white band, and then you leave this purple band and you're going to pull it up. And you're going to pull your white band back and you're going to pull this up. And then you put your pink band back onto his peg, and then you go back onto the other side and do the same thing. So you're going to pull your pink band over, your white band over, and then you're going to pull up the purple, put this back on, you're going to pull up this purple, and then put this pink back on. And this is where this purple kind of switches positions. You see how you can kind of see what it looks like. It's supposed to look like this, but it looks like this. So basically you just want to move this to be in the middle. And then you want to move this little piece over here just to pull it to the side. And then you can see now it looks like that one. And then you just pull up these next two. Okay, so let's do the stitch again. Put our white and our purple. Put it on, put the pink one on top, or put the pink one over. And now you have your white and your purple, and you're gonna add 3 more bands, which would be your purple band, your white band, and your pink band. You're gonna pull this purple band up, and that's what you should have. And now that we're gonna move everything to one side and pull it one at a time over. So we pull the pink and the white like that, and then we pull up the purple. And then we'll move the white over here, and then we'll pull up the purple. And then we'll move the pink, and we'll do the other side. And you see how when you do one side, it doesn't get messed up. It's when you start pulling onto the other side where the orientation, it gets twisted, and that's why you have to rearrange your bands. So now I'm gonna pull up our purple, our white over the purple, put this back on, pull our purple over the white, or put the purple over the white, and then we'll pull this back. And this got twisted, so we wanna just pull this over. It's just arranging it. And you can use your fingers if you want to. And then now we're gonna pull up the white on both sides. And then you see this one is a little, you wanna kinda, oops, I pulled it too much. And then you can turn it around. The pattern's the same on the front and the back, so if you wanna just make sure that it looks good on both sides, like that. Oh, see, and this one I didn't fix on the side, so. Just basically pulling everything so that it's, the pattern looks right. So I'm gonna do it one more time. We're gonna take our purple and our white, and then we're gonna pull up the pink. Now I'm gonna take my white and my purple and my pink. You gotta put it in that order. And then we're gonna pull up this white band right here. So now I'm gonna take my white and my purple, and then I'm gonna pull up both sides. Then I'm gonna take my purple, my white, and my pink. So now I have 5 bands here. I'm going to pull up this purple one on the top. And then we're going to move these 3 bands over. So these 2 bands over. And I'm going to pull up this white band, and I'm going to move the bands back. 1, 2. Do the same thing on the other side. 1, 2. Put my white band, pull it up and over. Oops. Pull that back. I lost this pink band, so let me try to retrieve it. There. Oh, I forgot to pull this purple one over, which is fine. You can always pull that one over. If you forget to pull it over, you can just pull it over like that. Just bring it back and pull it over. And then you pull up your white bands. And I actually didn't have to arrange that one because I forgot to do it. So then when you pull it back, if you do it one side, left side, right side, left side, right side, then you actually don't have to arrange your bands. So there you have it. Let me get my clip, which I just always clip it to the same one that I did. So this is the bracelet. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I know this was a little complicated, so let me know if you were able to do it or not. These are the limited edition rainbow loom bands that I found on rainbowloom.com. I love these bands. They're a lot easier to work with than just regular bands, and they last a lot longer. These bands actually are like 6 years old and they still have their elasticity. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye now.